Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Yesterday, I started out this video saying, hey, things happen in bunches. And then I went on to tell you a story about a father that gave his property, transferred his property into the name of his two adult children. And that was a cautionary tale, right? And a bad result for that individual. The reason I said bunches is because I had a second consult yesterday concerning a similar but different event. And what happened was, in this other example, there is a scenario where a person is being sued by her uncle to pull back property, right? So really, and as with many of these cases, there's a difficult and complicated fact pattern. So it may come down to money and greed and uncertainty and right, all of the human emotions that you could expect and understand. But the fact pattern involves something along the lines of there was a family home and there were several siblings on the home. This is many years ago, like 1988, 1990, right? A long time ago, right? So we're in 2020. So we have 30 years that have gone by, and two of the three siblings were removed. And in the recesses of time, we can't really determine if money was given or why siblings were taken off of the deed. Now, I'm being contacted and I communicated with the adult child of the person that remained with the deed. So her uncle and another family member are now suing her and saying, give us back the house. And the position, our position is going to be, my father has owned that property for 30 years. I've inherited the property. You're not entitled to it. And so really that's in the area of constructive trust. As I understand it, one of the siblings said, I came off the deed because I was going to be getting married and I didn't want that to be part of my estate. I don't know if that's a good reason, but that's his stated reason. The other person that came off, apparently they say it was in advance of a divorce, right? These might have been the reasons why they came off, maybe. I don't know, it happened 30 years ago. But really, those don't seem like reasons based on any fantastic motivations. It sounds like they were trying to defraud other people. I don't know. And I'm not going to be a party to that. And I'm not going to let my client be a party to that. So we're going to fight against that case because those siblings, after 30 years, are not entitled to this property. So if you have a litigation or a scenario or a situation or a thing that you'd like to speak about, please reach out to me. frankbrunolaw.com. I'd appreciate it. Be well, be safe, be healthy.